Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Plus channel. It's so nice to have you here with us today. This channel helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. That is the best way to improve your English. Today we talk about ice cream. When the temperature rises, our bodies look for ways to cool down. Ice cream offers not only immediate relief from the heat, but also enjoyment. The soft textures, the sweet and fruity flavors, and the feeling of freshness make ice cream the most popular summer dessert. People like to eat ice cream, especially in summer, but many people also eat ice cream in winter. It is sweet, cold, and makes people happy. Ice cream is not just a dessert. It is a daily cause for joy. Whether enjoyed after a meal or in hand on an afternoon walk, ice cream accompanies the most carefree moments of summer. Ice cream comes in many different flavors. The most popular flavors are vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Today, we can find hundreds of different flavors, like mango, pistachio, mint, banana, and even green tea. Ice cream is usually made from milk, cream, and sugar. These ingredients are mixed together and then frozen. Sometimes people add fruit, nuts, or chocolate pieces to make it more tasty. Ice cream can be served in a cone, a cup, or a bowl. Some people also like to eat it with cake or fruit. The quality of an ice cream is determined mainly by its ingredients. A good ice cream is made from cow's milk or cream without artificial flavorings or powders. Fresh seasonal fruits provide natural flavor and color, while quality raw materials such as chocolate, vanilla, or caramel provide a rich flavor and smooth texture. The simpler and more natural the composition, the more authentic the tasting experience. Although traditionally considered dessert served at the end of a meal, the truth is that one can enjoy a cup at any time of the day. Ideal times for ice cream? After lunch, as a cool break from the heat. As an afternoon treat on a walk. Goes well with coffee, especially if it's iced. At birthdays, parties, or family gatherings. As a dessert for a visit to the house, at a family or friendly gathering. You can buy ice cream in many places. Supermarkets sell many types of ice cream in boxes. Ice cream shops and cafes also sell fresh ice cream. In big cities, there are special ice cream stores with many flavors and styles. Some people also make ice cream at home, using a freezer or an ice cream machine. Ice cream is loved by both children and adults. It is a popular treat at birthday parties, family picnics, and summer holidays. Eating ice cream is not only fun, but it also helps you feel cool on hot days. The history of ice cream is very old. Some people say it started in ancient China. Later, it became popular in Europe, especially in Italy. Today, people all over the world enjoy ice cream. There are also some healthy types of ice cream. Some are made with less sugar or with plant-based milk like almond or soy milk. People with diabetes or allergies can also find special ice cream made just for them. Fun facts about ice cream. Another one, presumption cream was first invented in 17th century China. The average number of licks to finish a scoop of ice cream is 50. The most country that consumes the most ice cream is the USA, followed by Australia, then Norway. The first written ice cream recipe was found in a 1665 recipe book. One of Americans, around 90%, have ice cream in their freezers. In 1984, President Ronald Reagan declared July to be National Ice Cream Month. A cow can produce enough milk for 9,000 gallons of ice cream in its lifetime. About 9% of dairy milk produced in the U.S. goes toward making ice cream. The most ice cream sundae weighed 24 tons and was made in Edmonton, Canada. The tallest ice cream cone was over 9 feet tall in Italy. In short, ice cream is a sweet and fun dessert that many people enjoy. It brings joy, refreshment, and great taste in every bite.